Yes, class 10th geography chapter number 5. And point number 1 is mineral. What is mineral? Mineral means a substance which is found in the earth's crust and which generally has a definite chemical composition, unlike most rocks, is called mineral. After mineral we have to read ore. What is ore? Ore is a raw metal extracted from the earth, mixed with soil and other impurities. Look at the minerals. Minerals are occurred in different forms. First one, the igneous and the metamorphic rocks. Minerals may occur in the cracks, the graves, faults, and or joints. The similar occurrence are called veins. Smaller occurrence are called veins, and the larger occurrence are called lodes. In this igneous and metamorphic rock, we can see that this one first is the liquid and metallic and gaseous forms of minerals like tin, then copper, zinc, lead. These are obtained from veins and lodes. Next one is sedimentary rock. In sedimentary rock, there are layers or beds. In the sedimentary rocks, we can find coal and petroleum, gypsum, potash salt, and sodium salt also. Next, these are formed as a result of evaporation, especially in the arid regions. Third one is another mode of formation involves the decomposition of surface rocks and the removal of soluble constituents, leaving a residual mass of weathered material. By the weathering system, the materials are formed, especially bauxite. Bauxite is formed in this way. Now come to fourth point. Certain minerals may occur as alluvial deposits in sand of valley floors and the base of hills. These deposits are called placer deposit, and generally contains minerals which are not corroded by water. Gold, silver, tin, platinum are the important examples of this mineral. Next one, fifth point, some minerals which are occurred in ocean water, as for example that common salt, magnesium, bromium, these are found in ocean water. Now look at the classification of minerals. Minerals are two types. First one metallic and second one non-metallic, and another is energy minerals. Metallic minerals are divided into three types. First one ferrous, second non-ferrous, and last one is precious. In ferrous, containing iron ore, that manganese and nickel, cobalt. We will discuss this one today. And non-ferrous, copper, lead, bauxite. Then precious is gold, silver, and platinum. Next one, non-metallic. Non-metallic, mica, salt, potash, sulfur, then granite, then limestone, marble, sandstone. Next one, energy resources, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Yes. Now look, what is mines or mining? Mining, an economic activity concerned with the extraction of commercially valuable minerals from the bowl of earth, and we can see that in mine the minerals are deposited and reserved. Now iron ore is formed in mines, and iron ore is divided into four types. First one hematite, and second one is magnetite, then third one siderite and limonite. In your book only two portions are given. First one magnetite. Magnetite means what? It is the finest iron ore with a very high content of iron ore or iron, up to 70% content. and it is it is excellent magnetic qualities and valuable for the electrical industry. Next one is hematite. Hematite, it is the most important for industrial use or industrial iron ore, containing 50 to 60% iron. Now look, where is iron ore found? First one, Orissa Jharkhand belt. In this belt we can find the Singhbhum district of Jharkhand and Mayurbhanj district. In these two districts we mainly find this type of iron ore. Next one is Durg, Bastar, Chitradurg belts. In this belt we find iron ore and 14% 14 comprise 14 deposits of super high grade hematite ore, and iron ore from these mines is iron ore from this mine is exported to Japan and South Korea via Visakhapatnam port. Next one, Bellary, Chitradurg, Chikmagalur and Tumkuru belt in Karnataka has a large reserve of iron ore, and from the Kudremukh mines 100% iron ore is exported from the western Ghats area. And next one is Maharashtra Goa belt. Here Goa and Ratnagiri district of Maharashtra, here we can find iron ore, and iron is exported from here through Marwagaon port. Next topic is it is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel and ferromanganese alloy. Nearly 10 kg of manganese is required to manufacture 1 ton of steel. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder, then insecticides and paints. Look at this graph. In this pie chart you can see that where is manganese found. Next, look at this map. Here we can find the iron ore fields, and look at this index and iron ore fields, then iron ore mines, then iron ore exporting ports, manganese, bauxite and mica. In your book it has given, you have to use this map for practicing for exam. Next topic is copper. India is critically deficient in the reserves and production of copper. Being malleable, then ductile and a good conductor, copper is mainly used in electrical cables, electronics and chemical industries. The Balaghat mine in MP, then Khetri in Rajasthan and Singhbhum district of Jharkhand are leading producers of copper. Next one, bauxite. Bauxite, it is produced from aluminium. From aluminium bauxite is produced. So we can say aluminium is the production from the bauxite, and aluminium is used in many places like metal. It is metal because of it combines the strength of metals such as iron with extreme lightness, and also with the good conductivity and great malleability. It is mainly found in Amarkantak Plateau, then Maikal Hills and the plateau region of Bilaspur, Katni. Now this pie chart, here you will find that in which district how much production of bauxite. Orissa has the highest or largest bauxite producing state in India. And now look the non-metallic minerals. Under non-metallic minerals, mica is important, and due to its excellent dielectric strength, low powerless loss factor, and insulating properties, and resistance to high voltage Mica is one of the most indispensable minerals used in electric and electrical industries, and it is mainly found in Chotanagpur Plateau region, Kodarma, Gaya, then Hazaribagh belt of Jharkhand is the leading producer. In Rajasthan also we can find mica. Next one is limestone, and limestone is found associated with rocks and composite of calcium carbonate. It is mainly found in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and another places. It is mainly used in cement industries. Next day we will continue another portion of this chapter.